Being confident doesn't mean that you're perfect or that you don't make mistakes. It's knowing that it's all right for you to embrace your failures and learn from your mistakes. It's knowing you can keep going after your goals without allowing any obstacles to stop you from achieving it. Being confident is being bold enough to go after what you want, but also knowing when to pause and reflect on the things that are not quite working. It's knowing when to ask for help and offering to help others when they need your help. It's knowing when to take time out to look after yourself. Being confident is knowing you're unstoppable, no matter what challenges lie in your way. It's avoiding excuses and having the self-belief that you have everything it takes to achieve anything you want. It's knowing there's no problem without a solution. Being confident is constantly setting yourself new goals and aspirations and knowing that in order to grow, you have to challenge yourself to learn new things. It's stepping out of your comfort zone and expanding your knowledge and skills. Being confident is always embracing opportunities to learn and engaging in activities that make you happy and fulfilled. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram. Take good care of you and see you next week.